Hey everyone, Jake Nabasny here, and today I'm going to make my favorite breakfast of all time, eggs Florentine. Now what you're going to need are 3 eggs, an English muffin, and some spinach for the main dish. As you can see, I have a shallow pan of water simmering. Now the secret to good poached eggs is actually splashing a little bit of vinegar into the water. This is going to help the whites coagulate. I'm going to take my egg and crack it on a flat surface so no eggshell gets into the poached egg. Once I have it cracked, I'm going to slide it gently into the water. Once they're in the water, I throw the lid on for 3 minutes. So my English muffins are done and I can begin putting together my dish. Now, I like to use the fresh spinach instead of cooked spinach because it provides an earthy and crisp balance to the richness of the egg yolk. I'm just going to layer it on top of the English muffins. Then once the eggs are ready, I can plop them on. But at the same time, I want to be ready with my hollandaise sauce to drizzle it on top of the eggs. So it's been about 3 minutes and I'm going to check on my eggs. As you can see, they're completely white. Now when I lift it up, I just want to push on it to make sure it's still a little bouncy so I know the yolk's going to be runny when I cut into it. Now before I plate it, I want to trim off all this excess white around the edges because that's not going to taste any good. So my eggs are finally done, and I'm just going to slide them right on top of the spinach. And you can always add more if you want to. Now that's a beautiful poached egg. And you can make one too with this simple recipe.